back, guys, to another Gdevelop video, where today I'm going to show you how to make your character move by clicking. Yep, by just clicking like that. So let's get into it. So there's three different click methods that I want to show you. The first is normal clicking, the next is drag hold click, and then next is a more fancy version of the hold click. So let's get into it. The first one is click. As you see at the beginning of the scene, it starts a scene timer called touch. Basically, this is an object scene timer, and basically this is just so that it's delayed, so that whenever you click, it's not janky. Yeah, so I set it to 0.2 seconds, and basically it resets whenever it activates this action of moving the square to the cursor. So whenever we left click, it will move it to the cursor with a delay of 0.2 seconds, and it will only trigger once. So let's go ahead and test that out. As you see, it's moving to the cursor, and it's only going to do it once. So it's going to do where you last clicked, as you see, and it's only going to do it once. Pretty nice to have your dude just go toward your cursor. Now, what if we wanted to drag click? Yes, let me show you what drag clicking is. So what if we wanted to make it so that it followed my cursor all the time whenever I'm holding the left click button? Well, I can do that, as you see. Pretty nice. Now, it is on a 0.2 second delay just so that it's not as janky, but you can see it's still a little bit janky. So I'm going to show you another method, a more fancy drag click method. So this one, oh wait, I forgot to show you the code. Yes, basically it's just the same as the one up here, but without the trigger once condition. Yeah, it's pretty easy. Next is the fancy drag click. This one is a lot more complicated. So basically I have this cursor object that basically moves toward my cursor all the time. The reason I have this is so that I can basically use this. So basically the cursor's distance to the square is 100 pixels. So basically I'm using this distance condition to basically say how far the cursor is away from the square. And the reason why I want that is because I want to change the speed based on how far the cursor is away from it. So if I go right here, as you see, it's really slow whenever I'm close to it, whenever I'm drag clicking close to it, but whenever I go further away, it speeds up. See? It speeds up to catch up to the cursor a little bit. And that is really handy. And then it slows back down whenever it's getting closer to the cursor. Really fancy. I actually prefer this method, even though it's more complicated. It's not that much more complicated. It's actually pretty simple. It's this, but copy and pasted with different distances. So this is 600 pixels, this is 200, this is 100, and it's changing its speed, as you see. Its speed, acceleration, and max speed. All this stuff to basically make it faster. And then it has the same code as the drag click. And that's pretty much it for the video. I hope you enjoyed. If you have, leave a like and subscribe. Goodbye.